Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect Govee lights to Apple Home. Let's dive into tutorial. First, make sure your Govee lights are set up in the Govee app. Open the Govee app and sign in, turn on your lights, and confirm they are connected to Wi-Fi and working properly. Next, check HomeKit support. Only Govee lights that support Matter or HomeKit can be added to Apple Home. In the Govee app, go to the device settings and look for Matter or HomeKit options. Now, add the lights to Apple Home. Open the Apple Home app, tap the plus icon, and select Add Accessory. Scan the Matter or HomeKit code shown in the Govee app or on the device. Follow the on-screen steps to assign the light to a room. Finally, test and customize. Use the Apple Home app or Siri to turn the lights on and off, change colors, or adjust brightness. You can also add automations and scenes for daily use. Thanks for watching.